Hello, welcome to the bar. Is your subscriber count dropping? Well, don't panic, okay? There are common reasons why this is happening. And the good news is, they can be fixed, okay? They can be fixed. Whether it's content fatigue, inconsistent uploads, or simply not engaging enough with your audience, we will break down the cause and show you practical ways to boost your numbers and get back on track, okay? Well, here's a breakdown of common reasons your subscribers count might be dropping, along with ways to fix it, okay? So I have 8 categories. I'm gonna break it down, and I'm also gonna show you how you're going to fix it, all right? Well, number 1, inconsistent uploads. And why this happens: if you're not uploading your videos consistently, subscribers may lose interest and forget why they followed you in the first place. And here's how you're going to fix it. Make sure you create a schedule and stick with it. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and show commitment. Point number 2, content fatigue. When I say content fatigue, if your content starts feeling repetitive or unoriginal, subscribers may lose interest. And here's how to go about it to fix it. Diversify your content. Experiment with new formats or topics, and pay attention to audience feedback to keep things fresh. Number 3, not engaging with your audience. And here's why it happens, okay? A lack of interaction can make subscribers feel disconnected or undervalued. And here's how you're going to fix it. Reply to comments, host live sessions, and ask your audience for input. Building a community increases loyalty. Now let's move on to point number 4, changing YouTube algorithm. And this is why it happens. The platform's algorithm can affect how often your videos are shown to subscribers, and this is how you're going to fix it. Optimize your content with better thumbnails, titles, and tags. Focus on watch time and retention to work with the algorithm. Point number 5, viewer behavior. And this is why it happens. Subscribers might be inactive or decide to unsubscribe because they are no longer interested in the content you're providing. And how are you going to fix this? Analyze your analytics to understand what your audience likes, and also tailor your content to match their preferences. Now let's move on to point number 6, overpromising and under-delivering. You say too much but you don't do it, and this is why it happens. If you hype up your content that doesn't meet expectations, it can lead to unsubscribes, okay? And this is how you're going to fix this. So be honest and realistic in your video titles and descriptions, and also deliver on promises and don't overhype content. Point number 7, poor video quality can make people unsubscribe, and this is why it happens. Low quality videos, audio or visual, can push people away even if the content itself is good. Once the video is blurry, it will push them away, and this is how you're going to fix it. Invest in better equipment or improve your editing skills. High quality production helps attract and retain viewers. And now let's go to the last point, lack of value or purpose. Your video must have a value, and this is why it happens. If your channel doesn't offer anything valuable to your audience, subscribers may not feel compelled to stay. They will just leave. And this is how you're going to fix it. Define your channel's purpose. Make sure each video has a clear value for your audience and helps solve a problem or entertain. Let me give you an advice, okay? By addressing these causes, you can begin to rebuild your channel's subscriber base and regain momentum, all right?